Hello everyone, let's install management point. So we'll go to administration, site configuration, server and site system roles. So in the last phase I have just uninstalled my management point. So to uninstall it back again, I'll click on the site where I want to install the management point. For me, this is my primary site. Add site system roles. Okay, now we will select. We'll go to next, and we will select management point. We'll click on next. It will ask us for few settings. So whether you want to go for HTTP or HTTPS based on your environment scenario, you need to select the required option. Next. In my situation, I have to use the same uh, site database, no other site database. So I'll select use the site database only, and use this computer's account as a management point only. I'll click on next. Okay. Once it is installed from the console, I need to go to mp setup.log. If you want to find the log, you can go to your saved SCCM logs folder. So program files, Microsoft Configuration Manager, logs, and we will go to mp setup. Okay, here is my log. So it just got updated right now. Okay, it has just started the installation, installing the SMS MP, the management point. It is checking the OS version. It is checking IAS services installed, which is a prereq for management point. And it is installing the management point, and it is running the commands. Let's wait for a few minutes to get some more details. So what we are looking for is that management point or SMS mp setup.log is exiting with return code 0 or some other different code, which we can find out either if we may have to reboot the server or something like that. So let's see what error code we are getting. Technically we should get mp setup code exited with return code 0. In my situation, I got the mp msi exited with return code 0. That means the installation is successful. I can see the same message. I can also see the mp msi .log. Okay, so if I scroll above, I can see where the installation started. Okay, I've scrolled up. I guess I need to look for mp msi old log, but I can see there are multiple entries. But just to confirm if the installation went successful without any error, I'll scroll down to last. I should see a message which says installation is successful. Okay, I can see configuration manager, management point, installation operation completed successfully, and this is also completed. Now the third log. So to see whenever a management point is working fine, we need to check mp control.log, which should give us a status message 200. If it is giving a status message 200, that means it is working fine. Okay. Okay, there are few errors, but if we see, we are getting the message succeeded for port 80 with status code 200. Okay, that means the management point is also working fine. The final check we will do under monitoring and system status, component status, SMSMP. Okay, this is my SMSMP control manager. It is coming up as online, and status is okay. That means my management point is installed successfully. Thank you for watching.